video, I will show you a simple step-by-step guide to start investing safely and smartly in the stock market in India. Understand what the stock market is. 020 to 045. Stock market means buying ownership in companies. When a company grows, your money grows. If you are a beginner, don't start with random stocks. Start with index funds or blue-chip stocks like Nifty 50, Index, Sensex Index Reliance, TCS, Infosys, HDFC Bank, ITC, etc. These are stable and lower risk options. For monthly investing, start CP and index funds. Even 500 rupees is enough. Step 4, risk management, 150 to 230. Step 4, risk management, 150 to 230. Rule 1, never invest borrowed money. Rule 2, don't chase quick profits. Rule 3, don't panic sell when market goes down. Rule 4,